guys, so in today's video we're going to look at the Collatz conjecture made in Python, in idle. Okay, so we're going to define a function that's going to be called Collatz of x. This is for you, integral boy. Okay, so while x is not equal to 1, if x, is divisible by 2, it's going to replace x by x divided by 2. This is nice. So else, what's going to do is x equals 3 times x plus 1, because you know how the Collatz conjecture works, right? Yes. So now we have to go to print x and then comma and equals that space. So that means each term is going to be spaced by one space. Let's go try it out.